How to share QR code in Line app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to quickly add friends online, you're in the right page. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to generate and share your Line QR code for seamless connection. Now, let's get started. First thing first, open the Line app in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Line account. If you have not done that yet, don't worry. You can simply log in. It's very simple. Now, let's move on to the next step. You need to go to the top right corner of your screen and you need to click on the gear icon to access the settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to simply tap on the profile option right here. Once you have done that, you can see that my QR code option over here. Now, you need to simply click on that and that's it. You can see your QR code right here. To share it, you can simply copy the link and send it directly to your friends. If you ever need to change your QR code, just click on the regenerate button and then you need to click on OK and then your QR code will now be changed. And don't forget, you can also scan your friends line QR codes from this page by clicking on scan QR code button. And that's it. Now you know how to share QR code in Line. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.